Now we're gonna add our buttermilk. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a really nostalgic recipe that I've gotta say I'm really excited for. And that's gonna be a classic vanilla cupcake with chocolate frosting. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start off by making some fake buttermilk. So in a bowl, I'm gonna be adding some almond milk and lemon juice. And we're gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes while we mix up our wet ingredients. Now here in my stand mixer, I'm gonna be adding my 2 eggs, coconut oil, maple syrup, and some vanilla extract. And I'm gonna mix that up on a medium speed until it's just combined. Now we're gonna add our buttermilk and just mix for a few more seconds. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So that's gonna be some whole wheat flour, baking salt, baking powder and baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Now just mix that up until you get a smooth batter. Now I'm going to scoop our finished batter into some cupcake tins. Now we're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. While our cupcakes are cooling, we're going to move on to making our chocolate frosting. So in a small blender, I'm going to add some cocoa powder, vanilla extract, almond milk, maple syrup, and our peanut butter. And we're just gonna blend it up. Now that we made our chocolate frosting and our cupcakes are cool, I'm just gonna be adding a thin layer of this chocolatey goodness on top of our cupcakes. Alright, and here is our finished result. This chocolate frosting is so incredibly creamy, and it almost has the texture of Nutella. Combine that with the vanilla cupcake that's just so fluffy and almost like a sponge, and you have a delicious dessert. And if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be linking the exact measurements and ingredients that I use down in the description box below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of the delicious dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye guys!